Good morning, and welcome to the Shatkin F.I.R.S.T. Monday Morning Minute.
Good morning, and welcome to this Monday Morning Minute. I'm Dr. Todd Shatkin. With me is Valdi Blaszak.
Good morning, everybody.
Valdi, how you doing, buddy?
Good, how are you?
We've been working together a long time, haven't we?
Oh, it's been 20 years already.
20 years.
Yeah.
First, you were working close with my dad.
Yep.
And then in this little tiny lab we had across the street, and we expanded that, and then we expanded and expanded. And look at what we've got here now. We've got dozens of technicians working on cases every day from all over the country. It's really amazing, isn't it?
Right, yep.
How's the lab going?
Well, we're doing really well. You know, we want to say thank you from all the doctors to keep us busy. We always want to try to improve and bring new materials to the market.
So all these red pans, Valdi, they're from dentists everywhere, right? All over the country.
All over the country.
All over the country. Let's see. So this one here, just out of, for example, Dr. Sawala. I know you're probably watching. Lath, it's great to have you as a customer, and we appreciate you very much. Let's see who we got here. Thomas Baggett. Thomas, thank you so much for all your business. You're a great friend and a great colleague.
Walt James.
James Walton from Tallahassee, from Florida. We're really grateful for you and being a wonderful friend and colleague and customer of Shatkin F.I.R.S.T. We've got amazing technicians, Valdi. Tell us about the technicians that work on these cases every day.
Well, we have over 25 technicians. You know, we have designers, we have stents finishers, we have people that scanning ceramics. We got about 7 ceramists. So the ceramists are amazing, and they've got so many years of experience, from Debbie to Mari to Kelly to you name it. I would say on average, there are between 25 to 30 years of experience.
Yeah, and of course, things are done differently these days. We used to just, you know, cast a metal framework and layer porcelain.
Yeah, we've done everything manually. Right now, everything is digitally, and we're doing everything with scanners, with 3D printers, with CNC milling machines. So just the technology is improving.
I don't think there's a lab in the country that has such technology that you have, Valdi. You've been on the forefront of the technology.
Well, we always try to be, you know, on the top of everything. So we always attending every single trade shows to be on top of everything. So
you've got those milling machines. You got like 10 of them in that room, milling cases all day long.
Yes.
And all night long.
Yep.
It's outrageous. Roundhouse after roundhouse after roundhouse.
Yep. That's what we do.
And you know, you and I have worked hard at this for many, many years, and we've really perfected the restoration of the roundhouse on 10 to 12 mini implants using my patented procedure.
Yes, right.
And it's just fantastic. And you know, I can't thank you enough for all the hard work you do and supporting Shatkin F.I.R.S.T. all these years. You know, we've been very, very good friends since 2006?
2006, yep. So 2003.
2003, that's right, 20 years. Well, this is our 20th anniversary,
yes.
And we're celebrating with this amazing laboratory expansion. Valdi, you put hundreds of thousands of dollars into this lab, probably close to $1 million.
And we still growing, we're still expanding. Every year we bring in new stuff. So,
Every day, yeah. I saw a big delivery yesterday of new equipment.
Yeah, that's it. So we actually team up with a new company from Poland, which I'm from Poland. I was born and raised. So these machines, they're gonna pretty much be extremely precise, and then it's cutting time on a half. So,
that's
and we're gonna be part of those machines here in U.S.
And of course, Valdi, we have the new roundhouse restoration with the Xantax, and then what's the name of the product that goes over the top of it?
It's called Amberino. Yeah, we're gonna be very excited to talk a little bit more about these products in the next couple weeks. Yeah. And we're doing testing and we trying things with Dr. Shatkin. He loves it.
Absolutely, it's amazing, and it's very lightweight. It puts less stress on the implants.
No more clicking.
And you can build up the pink if we need to give them a big flange to support the lip. It's very light supported. Yeah. And listen, we also are able now to distribute the Trios 5 scanner, right?
Yes, so that's another thing. We're going to be pretty much launching with Trios and then go 100% digital with all the doctors. So if any doctors interested in Trios scanners, 3 shapes, they're going to be available to Shatkin F.I.R.S.T.
Yeah, so we're distributing the Trios 5, the newest, latest version. We just delivered one to one of our doctors just recently, and it's phenomenal. I can't wait to get one of those in my hands to use in my dental office and also in our Shatkin residency program.
Correct.
Because the young dentists are very excited
They're
about
all,
digital
they're all
dentistry.
about dentistry, digital dentistry, yes.
And they learn about it in dental school, but now they can do the hands-on right here in our office. So Valdi, we figured this out. I think we've done close to 800,000 restorations
Over,
in
yeah,
the lab here.
over 20 years.
Over the last
yes.
20 years.
Yes.
And on a weekly basis, what do you think we put out every week?
Well, we're probably doing about 2,000, 3,000 a week.
2,000 to 3,000 restorations
a week.
a week.
Yes.
That is outrageous. So
Yeah.
you're talking about like 400 a day.
Yes, but used to you would have to have about 50, 60, 70 technicians just because we are so digital and we have so many, cutting edge
Could you
technology.
imagine if we
so
didn't have the technology doing 2,000 restorations
you
a
have
week?
to have double the space, double the, technicians. It
would be
crazy.
crazy. So right now, like I said, those machines are running all day and all night. They're working when when everyone else is asleep.
Yep, and then we have people, working remotely also too. Designers from Ukraine, so we support Ukraine too. We have about 7 designers there, so we working 24/7. Yeah.
Well, it's really unbelievable, and we're just so proud to be working together. And listen, we've been great friends, and I want to thank you so much for all the years of help. And I expect you to be around for another 10 or 15.
Thank you.
And I'm going to be around for another 10 or 15.
For sure.
Keep working hard every day here. So today is Friday, the 25th of August. It's the end of a hard work week. I know everybody in here is probably excited to head home.
Happy hour.
Have a wonderful weekend, everybody. But thank you all very much for all your hard work. Can we have a round of applause for all of the wonderful technicians here? Thank you all for the hard work you put in every single day. We've got just a great crew of people working here every single day, and I just can't thank you all enough for the terrific job you do on not just my cases, because I do a lot of lab work with you, but for all the thousands of dentists around the country. They're so grateful. So thank you all very much from the bottom of my heart. We'll talk to you next time on the Monday Morning Minute.
We have upcoming courses in Buffalo at the world's largest mini dental implant training facility on September 22nd and 23rd. And then to finish the year, we're going to have a huge advanced mini dental implant and mono dental implant course 16th, 17th, and on the 18th, which will be Saturday, Dr. Sam Shatkin will be doing a Botox course. November's going to be busy. We're going to be celebrating our 20th year. We're so excited. Have a great week.